Chapter 29 Stories of Madrasi Bhajan Mela Tendulkar Father and Son Captain Hathi Varman Nazar Madrasi Bhajani Mela in 97 Madrasi Bhajani Mela party of Ramdas Ikon started from the president of Holy City of Banaras. The party consisted of a man, white daughter, sister, and unfortunately, mentioned on their way. The party had a great message. Sai Baba would have studied but they had a resistant composed to liberal dust of money and the skillful to attempt to study the most of the abilities. A lot of money in form of Dakshina collected. Sai Baba was not of his money. He wanted 2 3 years. Olgan, the doctor of Kochi Corners, also gave 5 rupees to certain results to Subsul Jamali and other someone. 5 to 10 is 1 to 50 rupees to Bhakta, so please take care in this maker. Study the state here, then Mela performed beautiful bhajan songs, so really not they got money. 3 other parties were followed to receive flood ministries of different natures. She had a great river lava Sai Baba. Also, remember one day of Arthur's Gami Baba was very pleased to her faith and devotion and space to give her darshan of Istan. Baba then appeared to be system the world returned to others. Usual sign seeing the below due to us, at least nothing is begins to flow as season. Joins the people so under the joyful mood, but the return also was from disclosed everything to her. Husband, she told him to show Sri Rama and Sri Sai Baba. He thought he was very simple due to seeing the Rama revelation in the mind. He was saying, not possible, and Sri Rama will there is Sai Baba. He did not sing, was fortunate and the Rama darshan. Mind was calm and composed for free and purpose. Wonderful vision. Things continue to be when Baba met Srinivas when the wonderful vision that Srinivas was big city. The police has arrested entire areas and to open foot in the case. The police are tightening the grip. He says Sai Baba and after the case. Sai Baba so close to Sai Baba. Painful to hearing your frame. I came to go to your feet. I should be a come to behold. Standing in a person Baba Srinivas suffered conscious of everything. He said, I have not done anything with if I would bring you responsibility. Baba said, if not this life, you must have committed something in past life. Give them prayer, do not know anything about past. But asking that a committed sins and why should we be born to destroy my presence like I said before? Baba answered, have you got such faith? He replied, yes, Baba. Then asked him the closer, no sooner reached them, he heard the humping sound, something falling down. Upon opening, he was free and police has fallen down, bleeding, being quite frightened. He began to look for said, New York party officers will come and arrest you. The man, but there is no other savior except you. Save me anyway. The Baba again asked me to proceed. If not, open I then was out of case. Baba was decided. Then he looked Baba's feet over Baba. If there is any difference between Namaskar and their previous ones, so think well and repay. Yes, there is a difference between my Papa Namaskar I offer. Other getting money from you, but the person also offers to God. Besides, the formally maintaining being Muhammad was calling we are spoiling become this Baba. Do you believe in your mind, Muhammad? God, he said, no. Then Baba said, have you not got a Panja? In our house, you do not auction the same on Haram festival. Also, there is a house on deity Kapili, whom they profit of peace and marriage university. Other festivals say this is not so. That means all this and Baba then said, what do you want more than a desire or Rosana Mana or Rashna of Guru Ramdas? Then Baba asked him to turn around the sea that was in front of an ocean. He did bring peace. Ramdas on his then he never asked Baba, you look old, you don't know who it is, Baba. What do you say? I'm old. I'm just a race with me and street. Since Baba gave me one manner for Baba is in the theatre with poster. Man आपको था अपनी मान चिंता से बसा होता ट्यूशन इस मंत्र completion of the subscription about after this something of to do put the question where main thing questions and answers were most significant things and interesting. The next morning, while the person Samuel was the master Karti Baba gave me a prast to replace sweet meals and also with his pocket blessing. He made straight pure moonless being blessing, saying Allah, plenty he will do good, although no man on money receives better things. Student in the party got plenty of money after playing so successful. Not suffering to being during the journey, they had returned to home, say thinking Baba would bless the Christmas place. The story listened to Baba improved reformers to his Tendulkar family. The Tendulkar family Bandara Sogan, all those members were devoted to Baba, Mr. Samson Robles, Marathi books, President Malakanda says Sagama partners, the discount leaders of Baba, it is book written by those interested in Baba. The son Baba Tendulkar was studying the hard and night and was applied to a medical exam. He consulted some extra exam, also told them his stats are not favorable. You should appear examination experiment successful. The plastic plus a few days after Mount studies are Baba found this tension gloom more organizations and opening dissension. Baba tells and believe in me through the such predictions like a promise the go and studies let him for examination calm mind if he should pass us to trust me not to disappointed the mother returned to home community with Baba and his son Hassan. Was apparently written papers and no doubts he thought would not send suffering marks. He did not care about the oral exam. The examiners wanted him sent over to college for the past written examination appear for oral. He encouraged appear for oral exam. He got the exam successful but the base stars against him. It is noted that no difficulties are surrounding him. Moving was qualified to be tested repair as he had been hold study with Baba with fight and continue our efforts immunity found with success. The father is Raghunath was in the foreign military from Bombay as he grew was not able to attend the work properly. He is not able to take previous as is not included during this period of leave. For the extension of leave returns until the chief minister decided to retire him on the pension is older. The question was regarding amount of pension to begin pension is getting 150 pension would not be enough meet expenses over the answers of matter 15 days of the final certain Baba Gum Sitan with dream due to delay country settled husband pension village service replied Baba is missing. If late as well, then Baba Sanada was still given the 10 more rupees on special on such an can Baba access for Bhaktas. Captain Hate. Captain Hatay was a graduate who answer Baba Pananta Dream for common head in this child forgets how to say then the height garden took a fresh all vegetables arranging to the Dakshina photo Baba when realized the whole semester being inspired between Captain Desert actual and everything. Made offer to Baba and when they are in the Gaulis and they returned the sense and told by Maria to from the West instruction spent on buying Subans article vegetables so those items to offered Baba and Dakshina and some process mentioned that also not in the short time or moment on the basket. While party vegetables were purchased, just everything was arranged for next day Baba. The off captain all the people were supposed to Baba while the training was not tough or something. Had his small bound of spend concentrated to be on other occasion captain had wished to be a coin considered Baba and touch of his house. He had a conversation surrounded by questions and sent him to the friend and study. And after Lee Shazadin gave Baba's own dictionary with the pocketed, then he gave Captain Hathir's Baba to his and they began to show. Then he told him toast. Yes, the right term and played with his Baba, then said to return to this power had chosen a way tell everything. Asked him to please him continue. The friend returned to Goli and had a conversation. Captain Hathir told him happened study Hathir was extremely pleased. He realized Baba was encouraged to the hashtag and it Baba quickly accordingly. Varman Uncle known this difference between general and Varman Uncle Lord Baba remix. He once bought bar Varnan Narvekar, now the latest difference to a gentleman named Lord Uncle Lord Baba in Pontariki. And greater ones here of his certificates of Rama action setting to the story. The figure of Maruti with the Nagatan of Photo Baba. The consideration to Captain Victoria Sai Baba immediately pocketed Captain Sharma and spoke to regarding my intention of the question to you, but Baba said the presence of Karna why should be returned. He should keep a figure because it is returned the sake of certificate. Character to page 25, placement before Baba, which point Baba said the value of the repeat exists 25 Sharma, take this repeat, let us have the so give this next time of ship, no one had to correct us before. His follow partition, just someone suitable, he said, waiting 1 second. Varman Narvekar now that there are different gentlemen named Varman Narvekar like the Varman Sons Rupee. Young grade one side with the figures of Rama Lakshman Sita and the other side with the side of Maruti folded hands. Varman offered the Rupee Baba with the Vogiri considered with the church. Returned with the Sai Baba for immediately pocket with the pocket the Rupee sound and spoke to Baba regarding an intention that was returned by the in presence of why should it be returned. We should keep using videos. Rupees 25 will return the sake of the